Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best medicine ball exercises in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is F2C Medicine Ball. If the Amazon Basics products were strong values, then the F2C is an outright steal, topping out at roughly $25. 2. 5. Many other medicine balls are double to triple the cost. It's almost a mirror image of the Amazon Basics as well, with a textured rubber surface and basketball-like design, which will surely aid with grip for basic exercises and catching. It's reportedly a solid choice for bouncing in the same manner as a basketball, thus opening up athletes to new kinds of exercises. With its bounciness established as a defining trait, it goes without saying that this is probably the worst choice for slamming. As some ill-informed buyers have found out the hard way in their reviews, just don't try it. You will catch a 12-pound ball to the face. Speaking of, 12 pounds is as high as the weight range goes, meaning that it won't be ideal for those interested in medicine balls for hardcore strength training. But given some consumers' wild experiences with improperly using this product, that's probably a safety feature anyway. Number 2. Our second best pick is ProsourceFit Soft Medicine Balls. The ProsourceFit Soft Medicine Ball is a robust product with great versatility at a price that undercuts many other balls of the same design. Falling into the niche of wall balls, this sports a synthetic, soft-touch surface for soft impacts on contact. It's weighted and sized right to still function as a usable medicine ball for all your basic routines, but features an appreciable level of added durability for throws and wall ball workouts. A double-stitched seam ensures it stays in one piece, and the lifetime warranty is there to have your back in the off chance it fails you. Perfect for beginners and intermediate athletes, it's available for up to 20 pounds, which may deter a few hardcore individuals. And, while the exterior's durability earned great praise from owners, a few have shared experiences with balls being shipped with deformities, or deforming in the first few uses. In their cases, the weight has shifted, resulting in oblong-ish, imbalanced medicine balls. It's a solid product, no doubt. Just be cautious in the ordering process. Number 3. Our third best pick is Plyo Soft Shell Weighted Ball Set. Another addition to the list of fitness ball breeds I never knew existed, the Plyo Soft Shell Weighted Ball Set is a unique niche item for baseball and softball players. In the same spirit of the philosophy toning balls, this item is specifically tailored to tone that throwing arm and sharpen your pitch, perfect for athletes and even physical therapy patients. Weight ranges and diameters are the smallest on this list to mimic the mass and feel of baseballs and softballs in a soft rubber package. They can be inflated as needed, and a carrying case for transport is included. A common complaint some consumers have had was a slippery surface that sometimes made catching a tricky affair. A few reported having had their products delivered with mild deformities in shape right out of the box, and individual replacements are, at the time of writing, unavailable, meaning replacements call for purchasing a whole new set. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Body Solid Dual Grip Medicine Ball. A truly unique item, the Body Solid Dual Grip is as described, a medicine ball with dual grips for increased versatility. With the addition of the added handles, this product can be utilized for more exercises and functions in place of kettlebells and dumbbells, as many consumers have done. Purchasing this allows users to consolidate their home gym and ditch some equipment while still getting more pumps. Like many other products featured on this list, it's offered in a generous range of weights up to 20 pounds. Pricing is a bit of a hurdle for those looking to bulk on a budget. The base model 6-pounder starts at $60. Now that's a burn I only have to do one rep to feel. Perhaps it's a shipping issue from the warehouses, but there have also been a handful of reports of balls being shipped with an odd coat of oily film that has proven difficult to wash off and hard to grip in the first few uses. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Philosophy Gym Toning Ball. Take it easy and go with the flow using these Philosophy Gym Toning Balls. I didn't even know products like these existed, but I'm definitely intrigued that they do. Marketed as toning balls, They're essentially miniaturized medicine balls developed for adding resistance to softer workouts for yoga or physical therapy. The weight cap's at 8 pounds and the diameters can be had in as small as under 4 inches for one-handed use. These wouldn't necessarily be for building a body to shame strongmen, but they're definitely perfect additions to a senior individual's active lifestyle. These have been one of the more universally acclaimed items in my research, with very few complaints aside from strange oils on the surface upon delivery. It's not uncommon, and other items on this list have experienced the same occurrence, but it seems far less pronounced and frequent with the Philosophy toning balls. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.